guys, it's Elizabeth here from Neverland Creative, and today I wanted to introduce my newest scrapbooking project, which is a 6x8 story album. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that I have a lot of Ali Edwards products. These are all of my story kits and story stamps that I have collected over the past year or so. And if you have watched my previous videos, especially my Project Life for 2018, you know that I'm trying to incorporate more of these kits into my layouts for Project Life. But what I really love about Ali and her products is the focus on telling stories. And that's really the kind of thing that I want to do for my scrapbooking. I want to have the daily life documented, but I also want to have room for the bigger stories, and a lot of those stories actually happened before I started Project Life at the beginning of 2018. So for this storybook album, I'm using one of the 6x8 binders that Ali has available in her shop, and this is going to be just stories, honestly. It's not going to cover a specific time frame, and I'm pretty much just going to let the story kits determine what stories I tell. At least at first, I'm planning on just using the story kits that I already have and the ones that are coming up in the recent months, but my goal is to do a story for each of my kits. So my hope for this album is that it's really going to be story-centric. That is the heart of what I want this album to be, is longer stories, more meaningful stories, and just stories that I haven't documented yet and that I want to document. So here are a few ideas that I have written down, mainly from the Ali Edwards story classes. Every month Ali puts out a class on video that I watch, and she gives a bunch of different ideas about how to use the story kits and story stamp sets in your scrapbooking, and I've taken a couple of notes from those classes, and if anything really sparked my creativity, I included that in here. I'm really excited for her new story binder because that will definitely help me simplify this process, because as you can see, it's kind of a hot mess right now. But the story ideas are still documented, and I still have a lot of stories to go off of to start off this project. So with that in mind, I obviously am going to use the Ali Edwards story kits for this project. I've already said that, but I'm also going to use the digital versions as well as the physical versions, so you'll probably see a little bit of hybrid scrapbooking during this project. Sorry if you can hear my daughter, she's very excited today. So for this storybook album, I'm not going to limit myself to a specific time in my life. Whatever event I think about with a certain kit is what I will include and what I will make a layout about. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse into what my thoughts were going into this project before going straight into the process. So I'm really excited to start on this project, and I hope that you are just as excited as I am to watch it. If you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.